Hello, I'm from the Communication Design Program, or CDP. CDP is a studio-based program, and what we do is very hands-on. It involves a lot of creativity. We're a project-based program, and so we spend a lot of our time in critique, and we spend a lot of our time solving problems related to design. Communication design is an area that involves communication of innovative ideas. And when we communicate, we have to think about our target group. CDP is a very international program. We have faculty who have worked and studied abroad, and many of our students also go abroad to study further and also to work. Other considerations in our program in the 21st century are, of course, sustainability and also creating design that can benefit society. CDP focuses on many different areas of communication design, and the areas of graphic design that we focus on include branding, advertising, web design, motion graphics, editorial design, information graphics, environmental graphics, as well as package design, and illustration, which is very popular these days. The content that we produce is both online and offline. Communication design is one of the fastest growing fields in Thailand and abroad, and so there are many opportunities for students who major in this program. Many of our students work in Thailand. They've started their own advertising agencies, they work freelance, they work in the design industry, and many students also have worked abroad. Others continue at the master's level, and many of our students have won awards both here in Thailand and international awards abroad.